Hi, friends. It's Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today is Nate's Art Lab September Challenge. This marks a change in my ways of doing things. As I've put on my community page, I am going on the road and becoming a full-time RVer, at least for the immediate future. That means I'm going to have to make some changes as far as the content I put out. And I hope you'll join me for what's going to be coming up. You'll see a lot more alcohol inks, a lot more gel printing, and some collage work. So you can look forward to that in the future. I am hoping I can keep things up with Nate's group here. When we get parked somewhere, I'm going to be able to paint fluid art. But while we're on the road, it's going to be difficult. So I hope you'll join me, and I hope that I can come up with something for next month. But in case I don't, I really appreciate y'all being here. Let's get right to it.